Hello everyone, again from here in OGS Mechanics, where today we've got an Audi. This is an all-road model which has transmission issue, very often seen, not just on all-road, on Q5. It's a gearbox type which is called OB5. Shifting issues between upshift or downshift, quite common, especially second to third, third to second. We've seen it many times. Most of the time an oil change might improve things. However, there's something more common that usually is going to be the culprit and is going to fix the problem. So if you're going to take it to the gearbox, we're going to show you what we have done so far, and then we're going to show you on the bench what's the actual problem. So on the bottom side of the gearbox, which is here, there's a comprehensive mechanism which is called the mechatronic. This is the hydraulic unit that controls the control unit and the valves that enable gear shifting and controlling the pressure. Within that valve body, within that comprehensive mechanism, there are some tiny valves and an electric wiring loom that usually goes wrong, and the shifting becomes defective and not as smooth as it should be. As I said, we already removed this. We have it on the bench, and we're going to show you what we have done on it. While we have it here, we're also going to do a service on it, because service is very important on those gearboxes. It has to be done every 40,000 miles, a very important aspect that could also extend the life of the gearbox, and it could also make a difference in the way that the gearbox is performing. So that's been said, I'm going to take you to the bench and we're going to show you what we have seen and what exactly we're doing to fix this issue on the transmission shifting. This is the comprehensive mechanism, which is called mechatronic, which includes all the shifting valves, pressure regulator, which we already stripped them, and a section of loom. Very common on this gearbox is that those two solenoids, which are the solenoids that controls the clutch operation, and those are the solenoids that control the pressure for the shifting solenoids, are known to go wrong, together with the wiring causing resistance and make them not to operate as they should. There's a repair kit. As you can see, this is a repair kit specifically for this type of problem, comprising all the wiring loom and the solenoids, the two big solenoids and the two small solenoids. Having this replaced, then having gearbox serviced, we will eventually reset all the adaptation, and this will be the fix on the transmission shifting. Very common issue that we've seen before many times. This is the fix, and this is the way that it should be done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, share it, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos about car repairs. Thanks for watching. See you.